ka mo tla bomba jacket ke mo tla bomba jacket ka mo tsentisa go morao a tlhaba ha one a tsentsa tlhogana tsentsa tlhwana ka intsha ka before re ka yelo feleletsa khobela ya ka transfer mothakwa a ke zo bethile eng mo tafoleng yo a re wena o ne o ka khotlhella dick and I was like no wena dilo tsa ka dilo tse wa o la aga wena ngwana ke re o itse bana cause ke ngwana tla ke le tseng di le 4 ke le 1
wa yaka
yeah then I did that
wa yaka go ga hona go
koloi ibile I get that ke whole homophobic that means it means wena maybe mahau untshitse go ntlong untshitse ke gay wa tsena gay and step mother sa hao or papa o ja di gay or papa wa jiwa or wena wa jiwa yourself o le moshimane
sure Ditak.
Hi, I'm good and thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome to Sensitive Topics podcast hosted by myself, Karabonguna. I would like you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
Hi everyone, my government name is Amhelang, but I go by the name of Center of Attention, Please Always Sexy Mama Sita Adideji, Mistress of Canada, Paperback of London, Lahara Lalafati Mineral Blade.
Welele. Yo, like the content how you are a very interesting character. Eloring batho ba irata blind. You have like 80-something thousand followers. And we spoke behind the scenes on Bozoro one little pages editing and went to 50k before we close. And before we get into your story, I would like us to take a look at some videos tailoring like Lynn I came across today. I want you to explain to us what Zuira Halang. So I don't know Tomagayona.
Wanna give let me call, don't wanna give feel a ball driver and tongue way so. My ball driver Ellen and Tanya, I wanna. Kaku to your thing, sharp bumble, that's a buffoon bolt that I want to get a lot of another building. Ball the hair to Hamula. It's hiring 152. Driver, if you tell me wedding, to kill lata 152 and to make it desperate. Don't judge, Wena. Rapid to judge a matula weed and you're one.
I don't like us on a happy or happy.
No, like like it was late, like very late, and I was drunk. So like he requested, so he request Bolt and you Bolt like era price sailing. So
yeah.
Then if it's late, Bolt driver obviously o tlo go like o nameletse price. So ka motsa ka re a kena yona.
Yeah.
So Bolt driver a host na yona le ntho o tla mfang yona na.
Yeah.
Ka re yes, a kena bothata. Like ke tla patela ka something.
Something
Chocolate palatlap.
Okay, so what do la chicha direction? La slowly ya konzo ya.
Oh, worry.
Oh.
Ntwe nanya ka ngire go gating ya go nekeyang.
Na komang.
E re fitla hona go.
Oh, zele bushunyana. Oh, okay. This is a very interesting story. Archume video engwe.
Go one thing. I think. Oh, she go around. Mujita wa wiki. Mbelor mujita ka wiki. Didi less. I with majita ni. Or lwana maybe wa para wiki na gong. Yeah. Kuriki mujita le if lor wena wa para wiki na gong. Kurili nne ke mujita. I think the bisa taxi empty ne. Ito ira di ranta bola ka nna. Ai ke mujita mang? Kuri nga jole le msadi ya hao he. If lor ke mujita. Wa bona ra ke na yona ntho re nga mo fa yona. Ke mosadi wena. Ka robadiwa.
So okay, re ke possible. Zolo bokaibo.
Ne ke le go tropong CBD, so like ne ke catch a taxi ya high.
Yeah.
So this guy was like, I am missing the taxi. So I'm bothering. Are you a girl or boy? Ke re o bona eng mo? A re ke bona moshimane ke re go re papa ha o so wena papa wa para wiki.
Yeah.
Kore papa ha o apara wiki wena, kore papa ha o lokela di-lash.
Yeah.
Then o ke mmola ka mmotsiso gore wena wa e apara wiki na, a re yes. Ke re if le gore wena wa e apara wiki, kore le ke mojita, it's fine.
Yeah.
Cause ang ke gore ke mojita, ene ka apara wiki, ka apara di-lash.
Kore nka te jwalla le motho.
Yes, kore nka robala mosadi ya hao.
Yeah.
Or ka nna benthelela mmao.
So I tell us, it's like, do you usually face such situations?
Yeah.
Like
Most of the time.
Weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. How level why ba ira so? Ba o nyaka
Honestly.
Ne?
Ma afternoon ke motho eleng gore o jiwa or papai wa jiwa or mahai or be like only mushimanelo even in some afternoon I'm really sorry like bashimane ba homophobic most of the time.
Oh.
From na side ya ka akere man ke re na side ya ka whole homophobic. Even I get that whole homophobic that means it means wena maybe mahau untitse ko ntlung untitse ke gay. Wa tsena gay ya nna stepmother sa hao or papa o ja di gay or papa wa jiwa or wena wa jiwa yourself mushimane. Yes, why would you be homophobic?
Yeah, because
like what's the reason of being kwatela gore motho ke gay ka body ya hae?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Why make sense?
Why will I usually motho sa meet first of all, yeah.
Besides gore o sa meet o kwatetse gore motho ke gay ka body ya hae. No kwatela gore wena o re nna ke sa tshela metsi ka mo ke tshele juice.
Yeah.
Glass e ke o no juice ya khonagala.
Ka glass e o nwang ko.
O bathong glass e o ke o nwa coffee. Ke tshela juice ka mo glassing e o then ko nwa mo smafelong. Yeah, so
yeah, ne malome ba batho mo.
Mara nna shembe shimane ba homophobic, I know how to deal with them.
O dila le bona ona ka mo.
Pila. Yo nna go araba ngcono mpetho ithi. Yo nna go araba nanga sutlwela ke stlela ke pere.
Sala bona le situation e le re motho sala o betho o marabile so.
Yeah, mara ke ipethela back.
Bona nya fela ya la muliwa.
Ke methini.
O metil. O bina wena.
Dwe.
Eke so mo kwatise wes de.
No, like batho ba banana ka like o fula ke week ngere. O bona week o bona di leswa le ba le go ID ba ngwetseng. Aba ngwala ba ngwetse male, aba ngwala female. So kana kwa ntwa ke nna idea ka ya nnete.
Okay, let's go to the third video. Okay, so with this specific video, a question about to
okay.
Salo ya coming.
I would never go irang nako. Go irang.
Why?
Wa go ira eng go komeng go utlwela molao he ke bua ke tsube kwai. Komeng o ira eng pila ba ile utlwa molao o ba utlwang ke eng pila o go komeng kenye go witse.
Ora we bonile botlhoko.
For eng cause motho a bua o botsa mmae gore yena ke monna mmao o tlhakomeng like a ke bonile ne setsa
ne. So ba lo mo hutlile bjang gore o beta so like
no like ne ke le go salooning so batho ba go komeng so ne le ke tsele gore o nye go bona bo so ne ke vlog e bilang like ne ke sa go ira video ela so ne ke vlog so while I'm vlogging ba ya ira bo just like this video kam go ke ireleng then vlogger thing ya palla go editer then I decided to post this video only. Yes.
Okay all right let me play the next one.
So come tell it obviously like Marilyn I was wrong but I'm not wrong because like ke 2-in-1 thank you. So ke khona tsena go toileting ya bashimane ke khona tsena go toileting ya banyana ang ke ga ba re rela toilet tsa rena government. Thank you. So ke tsena go tlhoko ke nyangang so mene ke tsena go toileting ya bashimane ke go ruta ya banyana obviously di kiki line ya bona ke telle
okay
ka mo ba rutela di city ba bang ba rutela mo fatshe like yo so go bashimaneng obviously like wa tsena no wa ntlhalanya because a letse swaka and hona le mola mo le emellang wa ntlhalanya so tse most of the time anke le di berekisa ka mo tsena le di berekisa fele le kaka to mo ne ke line so o tla this other guy ya ya eng
anor fela
bathong ya eng a o tlo re so ha re ka motopa bo so a re o ntebella ba nke re ke lebella bjao cause we itse nna wa ke sa butse gore wa o re when na go topa ka re o ntebella ba nka re ke lebella bjao so a re then I said lo ena so tlo re konna lo ena
And then you feel like a situation.
I feel like hope when ke dire video ka continue ka ba shapa no o ira eng.
O a ira selo.
Next o ira eng.
So ke batla o ntlhalosetse ne. Usually how berekisa toilet ya banyana. Ba reng ba yana like ba reacta banga zango kra o mongwe a reacta.
O se le ka almost snacks.
Yeah.
O mongwe almost snacks ola. Usually like banyana ba acting snacks ke banyana ba ileng hore ba di chila ga ba phala. O ileng hore like wa bona go mo ke competition. O tlo actor snacks or no. Why o atsena ka mo o tla ripa ko ripela eng wena ke ditlhapi.
Ba bolela tsona tseo.
Wena ke ditlhapi. A ke rate ditlhapi. Baby hey ke a ke rate stockfish a se fofora meno. Mpsa e ditlhapi e fofora le maboya yo.
Es pula ya.
So
Yeah.
So yeah, banyana ba ileng go ba actor ba ke banyana ba ileng gore ba di chila.
And then di pleke di owner tsa di pleke tse o bona a bana le problem.
Azanka ka kira like mo ileng gore owner Iko kai marana zanga. My friends baba acting straight like obviously. Ba bona ka like you are a man one time.
Yeah.
So yeah. Mara for me like azanka kira
situation
yeah.
Okay. Re ke tla le nngwe video. Wa stress solo zibethile nda asikhona hala ubuhlungu mara.
Ihobetse mai. Amale go hobetse mai ka nnete.
Maro spindile go bona mo.
Yeah, like
the show must go on.
Besides the show must go on like in your tuba. Nginyoka bona ile scrambled egg and then e chaika like honestly.
A sa wa jaka.
A ke se dinyaka dilotse.
Ke bone video e nngwe o re a ona o wala le pitbull.
Go ha ba ntse bile maoto e tlotlo nna thamopeni. Like mtsebo hali go heno ha ina nyane e nna thamopeni.
E tlo ira ka pele.
Ish.
Okay, actually like I wanted to ask have you ever considered like hoira like a full on transition?
Yeah, I wanna do it.
Or stop again?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
Yeah.
Ochaba like the surgery side of it?
No, besides like I gonna le matswele ka nna le mohoditswane go tlase.
I'll bet you
I've done. I get I've done le maya ka just a boot. Serious, I get I've done like ke chaba I've done cuz bashimane ba approach.
Yeah.
I have guys who approach me, Baba I'm a girl, and be like, no way, now you're saying.
And actually, I had videos
easy one. So imagine if I get the boobs. I want to more confusing.
Yeah.
And honestly, like, Bashimane Baby do lang man, like, Bashimane by long hat levana the chelet, and then like, Nagitem take a chelet to go to me, Lorakiwan.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go to me, I'm gonna agree. Or I want to go like a Lisa.
And then the situation there.
Yeah.
I ring bonong halifil.
Re fitla te kwatisa ka wena wena sa te checkele. Nyo checkela ke mang? O tlela ngwena monna. O bona matswele mo.
And then banong a tswela pele banong.
No, a tswela pele like. Requested ka wela hae. But he was so
chabe mara hore nzatla ba aggressive nyana.
Nna le aggressive.
Tsanze se sala aggressive.
Ngile ka moriri. Nna ke sa tsuma.
Why is a lot of the situation as so irahala before?
No, give vampire.
How about chabi le batho?
Okay, chabash man.
Yo tswara. Re ke tlale ngwe hem.
Friday go primary last week so now I was dating this girl ba re ke matlhatsi chimnere sa irisilo ne with by that time I was the only child go high so papa kana bo na mega sure re catch.
Okay re ke khade mo re tlhalosetse sentswele o mo.
Okay,
yeah,
so like go primary like I once tried to date a girl even like it was not my perspective abo next time you go jala ngwanyana nna so my friends was like go tsele ba shimane so like nebenza ba okay you know like and then like we feel sad and whatnot so like I was like okay I get gay la shapa go fast ngwanyana ke tla like I know how to write like na mo kwalo mo pila like I know how to decorate and whatnot so ke ngwetse like a letter love letter la romela ngwanyana a romela love letter itse ne go jala ka love letter then ra jolo catch up ra bolela ka phone ra chata mara azange ra kopana we never hugged azange ra kiss azange ra ira selo then Friday wa it's obvious go primary wa sunaniwa ngeo
yeah
and neke mo betcha ngwana ola wena
Nzobetcha.
wena I want my money now.
Uphala ba ba itshula la
I
ba
want
ba
my
ba
money.
zobetche le ka
I
tje.
want my money. I want it. No ka inyaka. No ba betchanna ka inyaka. So,
When ka refund. Yeah.
Friday vele ke tsatsi la hore ko mora wa sithibela tlala wa tsunaniwa ba bitsanna benong. Oh, ibile a shing ba mbitse ba mbitse gore ya ngwana o emetse wa itse go iralang. So, yo I had to come up with a story. I was so girly. So, ke thomile ka mala ka botlhoko. Ko la shingise ke go sunana after school.
Oh, okay.
Ka thomile ka mala ka botlhoko. E mala ka botlhoko. Ya re bjanong mo go ira bjang. Pelo ka ya re bjanong bona wena o mme ena o ntho o ira. Sesi. Are tocha. Ka go security. Ka bitse security ka rena ke nyoko ka bjanong mala ka botlhoko ene bjanong a have running stomach. Me marumbudele ene mem na sa bolele tseo ka mpulela ka chabe ke fitla high immediately. Anke re ne ra phone go sekolong. Ka mo text ka re chomi now itse ke bila monga skoni nna I'm in love with your brother.
Wa yaga.
Yes, na ke tla di crush brother ha nna nixanya ke yena ne ke nyaka buta hai.
A itse ba ba jana o motsa.
O brehide I tell me like obviously like Monday ke boela sekolong like bantehile.
Oh yeah.
When but like
So would you say ke yona na go loring like o kamile out go sekolong?
No, not really. Nna ke tlhaba itse. Even my friends ba tlhaba itse gore I'm gay. Just that like holy gay long one obviously o tlo e hana ke re ba itse. Le foko gay le kona re la mohelang no. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Before we go into the next video, I would actually like to find out like how was it like the journey how you come out to go high le into the public like or utla untse ole like different from Osalo Munyani and then because I get about bala DJs different babamba they come out when they are older and then babamba they've always known since bala babanya.
Nna ke tlhagintse ke itse ke mme.
Yeah.
Ke tlhagintse ke itse wa set top la o sa teng.
And then go high by tsere bya.
Go high ba tlhaba itse. Nna I never like azanga ka nna fatshe like go high ka ba botse ga I'm gay.
Oh, azanga ba situation
yeah. They always knew but like ne ba emetse gore ke ba botse and then azanga ba botse. Ba ma ke tsetsa tile leng ke tsena ke apere week.
Yeah.
Next, as a comment, then my grandmother was like, we were waiting for this.
Yeah, that's nice. Wow. Because family didn't differ, but babang a hard time, whereby Baba hapiletse a hore banong santse ba acted different one.
Anke organize wa acted different wa tshwana. O acted different ka montlong ko ntle ya ba mosadi, ka montlong yo ba monna ko ntle ya nna mosadi. Thusa eng?
Hey, mara ke feel ngare ba bamba ke ba fola into di body depression di eng kare
ko ena tle banya go di depressa mo for real. Why like cause ke ka mkholing so when I tshwntse like yo
ne so o ka fa motho wa lebelletseng o le reng o in the closet now ibile maybe ke teenager or ke motho moholo o ka mo fa advisor a ka ira bjang ka situation e bjang
itswa ka mo old dropong wena o tlo nna le diaparo. Itswa ka mo old dropong nna le diaparo tlo nkhamuta. Itswa ka mo old dropong ka mo.
Okay, let's go to the next video.
Time chiminole guy ke zamaile le ane bra ana hano ka re nna ke ngwanyana ona ana bang gore ke ngwanyana wena cause wa mpona gore a ke na boobs on the face of a man. Yes.
Okay, re ke pause re tlhalosetse o ira halak mo
bashimane ba leleki bashimane ba la ikona hali aka ba tlhoya mare
o irile
yo bashimane ba le ke sa banyaka le ka jiko ka barata bashimane. Oh my word. Bashimane Limpopo ke bashimane like guys like shout out to boys from Limpopo. Ai bashimane ba le kompa that's why we pizza ma kompa ke ma kompa ka nne.
Yeah, ba ira e tlhakatse wa
bashimane ba le like ne re ntse so as a group
Yeah.
So here and this is a group. They don't know me. I don't know them. We just met like at the one woman show. I was performing. Then after performing, I decided to sala.
Yeah.
Then
Kulimpopo.
yeah, Polokwane. I think it was Polokwane Limpopo. Yeah, it was Shandesh woman show.
So how sala? Team how
yeah, hoteling.
Oh.
Yeah, in the hotel. No, the
okay.
hotel is nearby. Like.
All right.
Yeah. So I decided to stay behind. Then, like, there's this other friend of mine. Then he mo felehitsa. Nna ka boa ke mo felehitse hotel ne ile haufi. Nna ka boa he ke thewa ho tla koloi so koloi e la ya ema mola. Ba bolela. So ba shimana le mpa ba tla rita. Ba thoma ka o rita pele ba o rita. So like I was so impressed. Ka tsena ka marakoloi a ke ba itse. Ka tsena ka marakoloi ba shimane ba mfa black label 1 liter e fikile.
Yeah.
Ka inwa e o tlhekefetswe ina ba shap re sana le dibiri tse ding mo. So ba ntse ba bolela gore ai o ke ngwana o motloela bo. So ke re ke ngwana ka eng a ba mo go bolela ba tsheha and ba ifo.
Yeah.
Ke re ke ngwana ka eng ba tsheha ba ntse ba tsheha mola. A o ke tso mo yone ke re nna ebile ke nyo tsamaya if le gore le tlompitsa ngwana. O lo o tswa like o le o spilla the beans ha no ba re wena o no o ka khotlhella dick. And I was like no wena.
Yeah.
Dilutse wa o la a wena ngwana ke re o itse ba cause ke ngwana tla ke le tseng di le 4 ke le 1.
Wa yaka.
Yeah, then I did that.
Wa yaka. Okay, hona ku
koloi.
Be hang bano yo bereka bjang le 4.
Pila ke re mo go parking.
Yeah.
So go parking e like no satletse no sana le batho abo. So he ke nyisa o mo one.
Yeah.
The rest 3 ba gata.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then ka thoma ka o mo one ka mo nyisise ka re 2 3 and then like imberile mo mafelong cause olo o mong ba le ba YouTube ba ne ba gatileng.
Yeah.
Ba bethile ke acid ba robetse.
Oh, ba tsena ba betha block.
Wa ntlhala eng. Phela nna ka ke acid like ya robatsa. Yeah, ho fetsa ka yona like over dizzy ke nyope.
O betha drug.
Yeah, ke nyope once ba betha one lololo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ba la fetsa bjang conclusion ya thing.
Ha ba re
fetsa la hoteleng or
ke botetse hoteleng ke bolela hoteleng a ka go bala le go bala ne ke belelwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne ke belela. Yeah, a bana mo le ne ke bake ne ke tswile di drive straight.
Ba o bontshitse re des very o ngwana.
Na nna ke bontshitse bona because ne ba renga se hotelang and I did that.
Wa ba swabisa.
Thank you.
Ha o bolela ka drive ya ke batlo itse di drive tse hore ke marola le video e ngwe ba la tso tlhalosa ke yona ene.
A se yone e ke yone ya go Limpopo.
A ke shweteng ha se teng o tla ba.
Yeah, I see di dream. Le ke moya. A bana ntshwemi e botlhoko toko. Toko e botlhoko. Tshwemi toko e botlhoko. Ya o robala ka mala ke ne ke sa rateng ka pelo ge utlwe. A ke se rate style seo gore nka o khwela ka mathe. Ya o robala ka mala e bile bona. Ha o fetsa o robala ka mala mo moshimane ha fetsa ka wena o tswa o na le di drive. Ka nnete di drive di grapes. Angire na ikirela. Nna ke thatela mishimishi. Michelle gaula nna beno ke rata Michelle banong Michelle Dio tella Michelle ai jo mi patlama ka mala go tokong go chocolateng ha dio babela doll o tla dio babela doll.
Okay, kupolo re tlhalosetse
so hona stay angire yona re nna ke nyisa go back door.
Yeah.
I can use to go front door. So hona sitting o batla maso like flat.
Ka se bona.
Yeah, go batla.
Ora.
A beno mo ya go batla cause like motho a tikirela ka wena nke go bone selo.
Yeah.
Yeah, a beno e ya go batla.
Banong di drive banong ke eng ba?
Di drive like di pulse.
Oh.
Nama tsela and then like if lo ke pulse plus o gobetse.
Oh.
Wa bona go e botlhoko.
Yeah.
Ke di grapes.
So style se la ke sona se.
Yeah, bana o tla go bala. Thata.
So banong ha o fitlile na go ya re go tswe di drive o dila bjang ka yona like o tshwana le rena re atlile ke bo botle and then ba o fa something or o la le tsela e le dilang ka yona le na different.
nna ka steamer braka nna go fitlha ka reng go tleliniking e tswile diterebe ka moka pere di-week wa ba ile bone go tlo chachamisa
ya spana ho steamer
wa steamer then o reka le dibulete
ke eng ba
go na le dibulete tsa go lokeliwa ko morago
ke tsa di-pulse nka re ke a itse gore bolela ka
then go tswile diterebe o lokela tse 3 gore e kgone di betha ka pele
tse 3 and then it's nako e kanang
mofola if le gore o strong o ka nnetse wa di busetsa wena
wa di busetsa
like wa tse di nama tsela wa tetsa ntsha tsona
e fola ka mkho
like tshwentse e boelle vele ngere so bullet ile ya ho ha dinama tsela so when if le gore you're strong enough o ka nnetse wa lokela letsoho di a boella so nna ke strong enough
a o nyuka maswa
nthabe e berekisa
phe ona Helena le re le dipirotong ka bko
a wa o ile dipirotong ke ho phea
e last swag
a wa o ile dipirotong wa phea yo
okay a re go video e nngwe
ene tshwe mina o itse ndo ke ra ba moshimana a ntjolla ke jola le papa ke nna le step ba ke la bistike ba shimana he fetsa go bontsha gore o ngwana papa wa ile o rekela diaparo ke tsamaya le ena go apesa dijabaru le di LTD le di two words for men o tlo la para le panta la team and ke tlo botsa le papa go gore o apara hempa di scotches tsa faitukueng engero la star o la star mo se wena o itse chita wena and engwe hape gore ba shimana confidence e kana ya gore o fase nna o ntse o topona gore le wena o katehana o ikra kae motho o kra anyo go fasa nna ka meno a jinja like honestly confidence ya go wena o topona gore o be yana o tsa ka confidence ya go wena o katehana yourself if it's tlo fasana like ba shimane la remitsa honestly o ntse o topona mo speeding gore nna nke ke le ngwanyana ne go tehana then o tlo fasana
ke palaka re o ikra ka
like ke palaka e serious wena go o generator yo khono tshuma mabono wa pee o ire dilo tsotlhe mo sweng yo
so ola le incident there during Zoloko Pitori and then you almost got kidnapped
I almost got kidnapped doing the ashao yes like bo papa le ne ke di psychopath and like ba papa le ne ba rata chocolate bo papa le ne ba rata bawani bo papa le ne ba rata like motho a ntse te bona go wena o nyoko tira le sole a apara uniform ma sole a tsene ka mara dira etse ai nthe ke boloko nna ka patedisa nna ke nyaka ya ka ona tsona tseo awa nna ke tlhakile like ke bereka go Fourways I'm a dancer like at Fourways my melody.
Okay.
So I was from work. It was Sunday. So I was from work. Then it was early in the morning. Got paid, so I decided to go shopping. I almost said Grace Mondlane. We call it Grace Mondlane, okay?
Keep like
no, Grindr. It's a gay dating app.
Oh.
So we call it Grace Mondlane because it's Amaga G. So or we call it Ariana Grande.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
So I work at shopping. So I chuma obviously whole around town like even le matlanyana like o kra le bashimane ba ba shapunyana ka chuma Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande antlokela moshimane o mongwe so is moshimane no mberotso ke sole nna o tya ga di hole yo. Sorry guys my night yo. Na khoni like analo to nna nka skoni ne go ira bang because I go thoma ke lwa lena ne go motsela lo tolela ba bona so like ka motsa ka no you can send money yabo mishimane and sendela ka go send 200
so for base o mo profiling or vele ke se hole or ntse
ke kopane lena
okay so o tlhakana le profile ya high
and then ke tlhakana le profile ya high and sendela chelete ngere you can send me money and sendela chelete atla ra bolela so here ntse re bolela molle ka mmono ga ana luto ka re ish bayaka na re ke tsene ka monyane and then ke tla tswa wa ka nna hona ka mole ka mo kanna there's a I don't know if it's a gay club but like people call it a gay club. It's a union pub go CBD ke la cantina, we call it la cantina.
Okay.
So most of the time o tla di gay le bashimane ba ba ratang di gay le bashimane ba ba ilong hore ba straight ba re tla la snooker and a casino. So there was this guy o mokhutswane o mo shabo bang So ke ntate, it's not a guy ebile like ke ntate nyana bo ma 41 36 ebile ka 41 ya o dlala mo 41. So nantse a dlala casino ya hae, so a dlala casino ya hae nna ne ke ntse mo le ke no Strombo. Ntate le a ya go countering, ha ya go countering a reka di Smirnoff tse 6. Mind you Smirnoff tse 1 o itse ke bokae go le ka ntina can 36 ranta. So 1 so 6 ke bokae sharp a reka 6 a e beya mola ansuna mo le rameng. Out of nowhere like I ke metsi and ba no tshwentse ke hae ke re nna ke itlha mmerokong tshwentse ke bolela hae antlalang awa mo like no 2 o tla ntebeletse like ha ntse dlala casino mo le o ntebeletse so ke no 2 ke sala ka 4
a le so bolele
seno a ye hape go countering a re ke 6 a itlise am fedi kia tsa koloi a re khopelo yo go koloing a tsamaya ngabo ke re koloi ya ke feng a re o pressa mobile o tla bona koloi ya ke feng a wa ngero itse rata dilo mo file kia koloi ke go wena o meteme no ba no fitlhile go yang
re go e bona koloi
ke re tlatla koloi ke re is a GD6 a global diesel 6 van and the latest serious ke ra mo ba no ke tshwere OG wa ntlalang ke thabile ke ra wa mo ke rile OG a wa mbotse re go tlela snukhanyana wena nna mo awa a butehetse na mo koleng ke re before tlo ha mo go bile botse re nna a shawo nyaka yaka after ye re fetso re dilo tsa rena
are
a go nyaka bokae ka mo fa price
ke bokae
ba ba nyakang ba tang di 064093 4.1
okay le do tla mbotsa re fetsa bo
banki so e go fetsa mo fa price a re sharp ebile ke nyana ga wena o bolela ka small otters
ya
go sharp a utang e re ke di beer sharp ra go ntlong ya hae ra go ntlong ya hae a go nyoko jang ke re ke batla McFeast spice le watermelon McFeast a di reka fetso di reka a reke le beka e nngwe happen top of that a re e tla ija fro cause na ke lo ape yabo sharp e re fitha go ntlong ya hae sharp ke di vibes ebile ke fitla nna ka tsena ka go tlhapa a re ke fetso tlhapa ka pare skirt ne ke na le rough dance e nngwe so a re ka pare rough dance e la fele ke sapara selo like ka pare yona fela ke sapara le underwear ke sapara le crop top sharp wa go be monate go pele like go be monate like it was so like no go le monate first of all before ebile nka re ka o ka ba monate a butintwa ha when go gratchung khamaga ka mangwe a gizo o ka kisa bana ka moda dimtsa enka o tsena ka gate o nka mtsa o tsena ka gate o to re ka mona di bosibi sharp wa ho be monate ke re ne ke tlella mo le mo go ba monate wa ke di vibes ba itse thamara khadlela kissing ka mo tla bomba jacket ke mo tla bomba jacket so ka mo tsentisa go morao a tlhaba one a tsentsa khawhana tsentsa tlhwana ka intsha ka re before re ka yelo feleletsa khopela ya ka transfer mothakwata a ke so bethile eng mo tafoleng yo a motho la betha something mo tafoleng eng ka re yo baba nne ebile tse so e re ke tsamaye a re before o tsamaya khopelo
feletsa ntho e thomile
o patele McDonald's Shelter McDonald's ka re e re go sendele a ntshwere ka letsoabo wa bala so ha ntse ntshwere ka letsoabo ka mo sendela so ha ira ya tloka ngere e fetso tloka a re ka motella no you're disrespecting me you don't even know me ke re ke nyako request e bile a go ene bile wa ntloela a khiela monyako o khiela monyako o tsa khia ya go monyako o isa go kamereng o tsa khia go kamereng o khiela ka mo a tsia ene a be mo di magestove a buela ke stove le botle a be metsi a tsa leso le la uira go masongwa ditse
kana leso keng
leso
le bola
leso le la uira bohore a ira lona a hudiwa metsi ale so hantsa hudiwa metsi ale so I was talking to this other guy so like as a boyfriend like how to and
Yeah.
so that other guy like obile profile ya high apere uniform ama police so we bone
No.
you're even calling the police one tloela when abula monyako kwa o betha monyako monopi come here era monopi o tlampie nngwe ya o lekana le fene ela ke nametse ntho yeah at least no hona di props like ke nametse this thing wabo
yeah
like it's her ceiling so
tsenyo go loma
nanyaka in lume like yena
yeah
so he kentse ke scream ka mkhole ke scream makhelwane wa phone a re scream se sihlango ntona ya a ke se rate so I'm gonna come and check wow anke ntha a re bile tsama ke re khopelo apara because I'm not wearing anything ke apere skete se la fela
no betile rough dance
khopelo apara re bile na wa apara tsama o le bjao ka motsa ke re pleke e a safe ho tletse makhalate mo and then like what if ban tshwarapo at least the bolt hey like that requested ka mo go send the child away me fixed ahana ke lo kontle ke metse bolt out connector was paper until ka metsi a re ke tlo mo gating hai bolt driver he fitla mola I'm butso wena what are you doing in this house okay, what am I doing? I came to this guy. I do know this guy like almost killed a woman. So that's why that's why like bo makhelwane ba phone lo re skirmi seo a re sanat. And then there's this other friend of mine. A re sele a tsamalen a re wa mitsi. Sele a ba swimisa ka mara phulphulu ha ena le malele. A ba swimisa ka mara malele like dilo tsele tse girmetsa di chile.
Oh yeah.
Ena le malele a ba tima le shelter ona mela mind you like ke Pretoria North ka mohare. A ona di taxi kwa you have to request. Yeah. So that was my experience.
Unyakilo rishiya mas.
Yeah, almost.
Yo. I know that's what's that. So I'm bored, man. Let's dive into what you do for a living a little bit, ne? Ke bone di video tsa hao tse ntshi tsa tshwana le e re fetso e lebellang mo jive o performer and stuff like that. So I wanted to figure out if it's something a lot of very for a living and automillening piang.
Like I started dancing at such a young age. I think I was 17 years old. Yeah, I was dancing for Queen Loli. I don't know if you know her.
Yeah,
Baby Mama and Mr. KG.
Yeah. Keep Baby Mama Highville.
We're not sure.
Oh, Arabiao.
Yeah, Arabiao.
Okay.
Too short. So yeah, I started dancing like from there. Then I started posting myself, got gigs. Like I get gigs like Tsagakiliwan. Got gigs, obviously, but no rob industry. Yeah, then I like I started dancing, being a backup dancer for celebrities. Yeah.
To name a few, if you're comfortable.
Yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm only gonna name two.
Okay. Bashab, yeah.
I've danced with Queen Loli and Jelly Baby.
Okay. So Osajaiva Lobonal no?
No.
Okay. Did your relationship like do you still have a relationship Lobona Kibegamko?
No.
It didn't end nicely.
It ended nicely.
Maralasana relationship.
Yes.
Okay.
Why?
No, I'm just curious because guys are industry again. Yeah, usually if people salaba and then in the future have a relationship.
No, is it like now I always feel like I want more.
Yeah.
Like I can dance for you like for this period of time just to boost my mantlhalang.
Yeah.
And then after more like sharp like more go fitla, thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, some of them. Because I'm a ghost, bruh. Yeah, I'm a ghost.
Right. Is there anything else you'd like to share, like with the people?
No, I just want to say shout out to my Onky's Beauty Salon.
Yeah.
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 They did the best here, like. And the salon is based at Richfield, near Yellow Sap. So you better go there, guys. And get a lot of
yeah. Oh, ke bone ntse le shoota something.
Yeah.
Ke ntse ke sona salon se ntse le se.
Yeah.
Okay. And it actually looks like a proper place,
it's very nice and
thing, yeah.
And it's just opened now.
Okay,
yeah, it's still new.
Ngano re eko kae?
Go Pretoria CBD, go Richfield. If like we do school, say Richfield.
Yeah.
Mo pela Dr. Ville. I'll fit to talk about the escalator. Like there's a banner, yeah, bon.
Oh, okay. I'm sure there's people who want to go and see more of your content. So please tell the people who all
of my on all social media platforms, Minora Blade.
Okay.
But Facebook, like I get the guys, Lena le toxic over Facebook. Le star, I get the Facebook. Yo, Facebook is toxic. Yo, and the Facebook is I don't know. I reply mo to a video. I wanna go TikTok. Go TikTok ba nong grabile go fan to win yang.
Yeah. But Facebook azanga like wa tlhakala le bona go starating.
Ka kopana le bona, like I said, ke chabe motho.
Wa itwela.
I ka chabe motho. Le modimo ke mo chabeng ke go mbone go nkirile moshimane ka nna ngwana. Exactly.
I definitely. Yo, it was very nice having you on the podcast. Ke jola lo tse dintse lo reng but when you go to a lot maybe so eventually I would like you to come back read a part 2. And to everyone who's watching, thank you so much for watching, guys. My podcast is not all about like the story it's sad or whatever. If there's any story that you have a sensitive loring subject, please feel free to contact me. Get over the contact details above. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, that's it. Tango.